everybody! So today we are going to be making something really special. It's like a coconut macaroon. However, these are going to be like little mini muffin macaroons. So today we're going to be using the ovo protein egg white powder for this, as well as our Martinez toffee pudding syrup, some coconut, some almond flour, baking powder, and Bob's your uncle. You're going to start by using 1 full cup of ovo protein egg white powder, followed by 1 cup of water. Okay, now your egg white should look like this. Like that. And the trick is always, I'm going to do it, to hold it above your head and hope it doesn't fall. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so it should look like that. Thank goodness that didn't happen. See Bertle's laughing at me in the background here. Okay, so in a separate bowl, now you are going to take half a cup of coconut, desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, now you want to just mix this in first before we add this to the egg white. We're also going to add some baking powder into this to make sure that it comes out nice and fluffy. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, and once again just give it a nice stir. White mixture, and place it into a bigger bowl. Very gently, you don't want to let all the air escape. So what we're going to do is we're gently going to fold in not only the flour but also the Martinez syrup. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon at a time of the syrup and 2 tablespoons of our coconut and almond flour mixture, and you're going to gently fold this in. And repeat until all the mixture has been placed inside the bowl. We're going to pour the mixture into our silicone molds. These are all in their container. We're going to bake this on 180. Once your protein macaroon bites are done, you're going to mix 2 tablespoons of erythritol with some water. So I used 4 tablespoons of water to 2 tablespoons of erythritol. Heat that up and then just mix it, because this is just going to be a light syrup on the top, just to make it moist enough to let the coconut stick to the bites. So we're going to dunk it in some coconut. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to take some melted Karen Candy's white chocolate, because that just goes beautifully with the coconut. And you're just going to drizzle that over. Okay, so here you have it. These are the delicious macaroon bites. They are high protein bites made with ovo protein egg white powder, Martinez syrup, and then drizzled with Karen Candy's white chocolate. Yes, you may. Just take the whole thing. So look at those. Is in the Indulge course. It's the confectionery course on Ketonet. You can go to the Ketonet mobile app and you can purchase the course under the store section. So just go to products and you'll find the Indulge course right there. Once you've paid for the course, you've got full access. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.